he says, Ya ghulam, oh boy. Right, so it's been done. We go to chapter 105.
Chapter 105 is prohibition of eating 2 date fruits simultaneously. 742, Jabala bin Suhaim reported, we were with Abdullah bin Zubayr radiallahu anhuma in a time of famine. Then we were provided with dates. Once, when we were eating, Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu anhuma passed by us and said, do not eat 2 dates together, for Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam prohibited it, unless one seeks permission from his brother, which is the partner, Bukhari
Right.
and Muslim.
So it's not just to do with the dates, ya ikhwani. It's to do anything. 2 apples, 2 pears, if you have. So this hadith tells us a number of issues. Number 1, that it's the barakah to get together. That's why he said when we had the famine, we were with Abdullah ibn Zubayr, all together. So eating together gives barakah. Number 2, the scholar here, Abdullah ibn Umar, passed by. When he passed by, he saw, and it is good for this scholar or for the person who knows, to pass on to these people in order to teach them the sunnah. So he told them, لا تقارنوا, do not combine between 2 dates, except for verily it is the permission of the host. So here, you could say the prohibition of dhulm, the prohibition of injustice. Because let's say the plate has got 4 apples and you are 5 people, or you are 4 people. So each one has an apple. So if you take 2 apples, that's dhulm, injustice. Why? Unless the host told you, go ahead, I've got some more apples, I'll bring to the other people. So it's not correct to do dhulm. So this is haram to take 2 things from the ta'am, from the food, unless there is a permission. Of course, if he's on his own to eat and the host is giving that to him, tell him to eat, no problem, because he's given the permission already. But not to do injustice to the one who are with you. If you have anybody with you, to do injustice and taking the apple on your own, the dates on your own, you're taking 5-6 dates and you're leaving them with half a date, for example. Same thing with the other fruits. 106.
Chapter 106, what should a person say or